Want to improve AdWords click-through rates? Getting your AdWords campaign up and running is pretty easy.
But, if you don't optimize your ad campaigns well enough, your click-through rates could be low, making your entire AdWords campaign less effective.
I know this because I have been there repeatedly. Sometimes it appears like regardless of what you are doing, nothing works.
Google seems hates your paid campaign, and you have got no idea why. If it sounds only too familiar, then you're within the right place.
Hey guys. I am Naresh Kumar, founder of Go Digital Plan. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize your AdWords campaign to boost click-through rates.
So let's start without any further ado.
There are two types of networks, search and display. Ads placed within the Google search network reach people when they're already searching for specific goods or services. Your search ad appears on the page as a result of a keyword inquiry. The Google Search Network includes Google's search engine, and Google's partner networks, such as AOL Search, Ask.com, and Netscape. Google's Ads Display Network places your ad on thousands of affiliated websites outside of Google Search, allowing you to connect with the customer through a variety of ad formats on over 2 million websites. We suggest separating out your ad campaigns rather than choosing to run one on both networks simultaneously. Search and display are very different from each other, as is the way you write ads, select keywords and set bids for the two. It is not to your advantage to lump them together. Think of it kind of like pickles and birthday cake. They both satisfy your hunger and cravings, but in two very different ways. But just because they both satisfy you, it doesn't mean you should put them together. An alternative is to develop two separate campaigns, one for each network. Running two campaigns concurrently not only allows you the opportunity to see which network performs best, but also gives you the ability to individually adjust spending according to campaign performance.
Finally, your ad clicks won't mean anything if those visitors don't convert on your site. Creating a sense of urgency is a great tactic to persuade users to act quickly. Urgency works because it causes people to suspend the deliberate thought of procrastination. Obviously, no one likes to miss out on a cool offer. If you want to boost clicks on your ads by creating a sense of urgency, AdWords allows you to insert a countdown timer in your ads to highlight your upcoming events. The ads with countdown timers are proven to perform at a significantly higher rate than other copy. After clicking on your ads, your prospective customers will expect the same tone and message on your landing page as well. If you're using a countdown timer in your ads, it's in your best interest to use a similar timer on your landing page, as well to meet your prospects' expectations, and boost conversions.
Google AdWords allows you to include multiple keywords into your account and ad groups. While this helps you win a chance to reach your ads to your target customers. At times your ads won't contain the keyword that people were searching for, which would adversely affect the click-through rates and quality scores. To increase the likelihood of your keywords to appear in your ads, you might use tightly grouped themes, or keywords into smaller ad groups rather than a broader ad group.
Negative keywords let you exclude search terms from your campaign. It is just as important to choose what to target, as it is to choose what not to target. Negative keywords allow you to do that. For example, Apple was starting out today. If they were trying to build awareness via online advertising, they would want to select Apple as a keyword and apple pie and apple tree as negative keywords because they are not related to Apple, the tech company. Think about your business and what search terms could yield false results. Turn these into your negative keywords to more finely hone your advertising.
Potential customers are making decisions quickly on the search results page. Ad extensions offer additional helpful information to guide people to click on your ad over your competitors' ads. They add extra value by increasing visibility and creating distinction among other ads. AdWords ad extensions are an easy way to add more prominence and allow users to interact directly with your ad by taking action right from the SERP. This can include calling your business, clicking to your website, or learning the address to visit your store, all at no additional cost. Clicks on extensions will be charged as clicks on your basic ad normally would.